we must promote, encourage our students to be proficient in mother tongue. I always tell, remember mother who has given you the beautiful birth. Promote, practice mother tongue. Respect and protect the motherland. Mother, mother tongue, motherland. They are great and we should really respect them. The language that has come from mother's womb, that should be spoken. I am not against learning other languages. But first, you must promote and protect and feel proud about your own mother tongue. The mother tongue which has come from mother's womb. Mother tongue is like eyesight. The foreign languages are like your spectacles. If you have eyesight, then the spectacles will help you. If you don't have sight, even Ray-Ban glasses, पहनने से भी जुबान से कुछ आएगा नहीं. This has to be understood by one and all. Learning English is good. Learn French, Russian, Chinese, no problem at all. But first of all, learn your mother tongue. Learn Konkani. Learn the local language. Promote and feel proud so that people understand the local language. This has to be kept in mind. National education policy stresses importance on promoting mother tongue. Some people have the false impression, sir, unless you read, unless you study in English, you will not go up. I told him, who told you? Sir, you will not go up. I told him, casually, I have talked to the God, and God said, there is no restriction, anybody can come up once the expiry time is over. The boy told me, not that, sir, coming up in life. I said, the President of India, the former President of India, the Vice President of India, myself, the Prime Minister of India, the Chief Justice of India, present Chief Justice of India, all of us studied in mother tongue and we have come up to this level. It's a direct example, live example. Even Dr. Kalam, great scientist, he has openly said, I studied initially in my mother tongue. I am from a rural area, son of a farmer. I used to walk 3 kilometers to go to school. But from there, I have reached up to the second highest constitutional position. I studied only in my mother tongue, initially. Later, mother tongue, study in mother tongue will really make the students to understand the subject better. And then later, you read, study as many languages as possible. No problem at all. Even English, okay, no problem. It is also a useful language. Hindi, our national language, we should not oppose any language. That's why I say, no imposition, no opposition to any language. Nothing should be imposed and nothing should be opposed. This has to be understood by one and all.